I'm Michael Sazin, the Parrot Wizard, and I'm at the 5th annual Flieger Club Parrot Walk. This is where the whole year's worth of parrot training and aviator flight training culminates, where the club gets together in the vicinity of Frankfurt. Right, this year there's about 100 participants and over 50 birds going out on this walk in the beautiful German countryside. Wow, what an experience! So many birds.
Here for the birds. This is some apples, peaches, I think banana, and they're loving it. Is that yummy? Is that tasty?
One of the great effects of the parrots being out in a social group like this with their aviator harnesses, not only all the fresh air and sunlight, obviously they can do that with their owners back at home. These birds are a lot more friendly and social than the typical parrots you'll meet. Even in bird clubs, because these parrots get outside and get to meet so many people, they're really friendly and great with a lot of people.